Okay, sorry. We're gonna sing together, okay? You have to say, no, you should say, or you may say, Wailene Wailolo, okay? Yes. I will say, Chuma basta beleka. Then you say, Wailene Wailolo. I will say, Hatim basta beleka. Is that okay? Shall we try first? Let's try first. Chuma basta beleka. Wailolo. Hatim basta beleka. My mistake. Okay. I will say, Evardami Hanaka, Wailene, Wailolo, Evardami Hanaka, Jahnam Hardu Chelaka, Jahnam Hardu Chelaka, Jahnam Hardu Chelaka. Jahnam Hardu Chelaka. Are you okay?